Start your alternating dumbbell curl by standing with a nice, strong posture with your shoulders back, your glutes engaged, and your core nice and firm. Have your dumbbells facing you, and then take a deep breath, curl up as you rotate your dumbbell toward your body, and keep good control as you come back down and rotate it back. Do the same thing with the other arm while keeping your core engaged and not letting your hips shift from one side to the other. Repeat with good form through all programmed repetitions. The alternating dumbbell curl is an excellent exercise for adding some tone and strength to your biceps and your shoulders while challenging your core and obliques to stabilize you during the movement. All you need are some dumbbells. Let's dive in. The alternating dumbbell curl is a powerful way to get your shoulders and your biceps working together and then to keep those obliques active so your spine's stable and you maintain good posture. Notice how Katie's not letting her chest fall forward while she's doing this exercise, and in the same way, she's not using her hips to throw these dumbbells up either. She's using her arms and shoulders with great control. She's got a great rhythm in her breathing, and this exercise is looking great. We're gonna make a small modification here if you're having a hard time with the rotations. She's gonna keep a neutral grip and do what's called an alternating hammer curl, just like you're holding a hammer. Nice job, that looks great.